Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Look at the trail that goes up there.
That's where I'm going.
I'm not going up there.
I'll be right back.
Alright, you go. I'm not going. I'll stand here and look at this beautiful, beautifulness. Wow. We're in Thatcher Park. Nothing like taking a nice nature walk and then spot this. Oh my God, it's beautiful here. Look at these beautiful trees. Alright, we'll take the camera. You want it? Wow. It's all icy and snowy up here, so I gotta watch where I walk. But, oh, look. Wow. What?
Nice.
This is beautiful.
Go over here.
He's up there. Wow. I know. This is absolutely beautiful though in itself. Oh. I'm so loving this. My sister Fran, she loves this. Wish you were here, Franny. It's beautiful here. Nature at its best. What? Yeah.